Hey,
Hey,
did you hear about Ryan and Dakota?
no, what happened?
Well, Ryan keeps on hacking on Dakota's Facebook.
Who did you hear that from?
Well, I heard it from Andy that got it from Dustin, and then Dustin heard from Bailey, and Bailey was at Dakota's house when it happened.
Rumors spread fast.
Yeah. Well, we have to tell someone so this stops.
Yeah, who should we tell?
An adult, maybe Ryan's mom.
Yeah, we should go after school.
Yeah, hopefully she will tell him to stop.
Why do people have to do this kind of stuff?
Yeah, I know, right? Well, after school.
Yep.
Who should we meet there?
Maybe a parent and some of the people that were at Dakota's house when Ryan was hacking Dakota's Facebook.
Yeah, that would be good.
Yeah, so where should we tell them all to meet us at?
How about the park?
Why the pork?
Because we could ask Ryan's mom and Dakota's mom to show up so we know that Ryan is tell the truth.
Yeah, because you never know when the people are lying.
Yeah, to us they could be lying, but to their parents they would not lie.
Yeah, so at the pork.
What time do you think?
3:20.
Good.
We should tell the people as soon as possible.
Yeah, I will call the parents.
And I will tell or text Andy, Dustin, Bailey, Dakota and Ryan.
Okay, so see you after school.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.